Welcome back. My name is Lisa Bronner, and today we're going to create some of the green cleaning solutions that are most useful around your house. Once again, these will save you time in the long run, it'll save you money, and they will make your house cleaning so much easier and safer. So I have here empty spray bottles, and I bought these just at the home improvement store. And spray bottles are something where you want to buy the most expensive one. It really matters because you'll be using this a lot, and if you don't have something with a good action in the sprayer, it will break off, or this will come off, or the whole bottle will just crack. So when you go to the store, buy the one that's the most durable looking, not the pretty ones. Those are expensive too, but don't go pretty. So I'm going to make my all-purpose cleaner with water, Dr. Bronner Salsuds, and tea tree pure essential oil. Make sure it's pure essential oil, not scented oil or something that's like a carrier oil with a little bit of the tea tree. Pure essential oil. When you put this together, you want to put the water in first and the Salsuds in second. If you put the Salsuds in first, they will bubble over as you're trying to fill it with water. They will overflow, they will make a mess, so you'll waste Salsuds, and in general that's frustrating. So we're going to fill this up nearly to the top. Salsuds is very powerful. A little goes a long way. So when you see the gallon of Salsuds online or in the store, you think, goodness, that's a lot more than a gallon of my conventional cleaning product. Realize that the Salsuds goes a lot further, it's used for a lot more stuff, and it's not going to hurt you. I have to tell the story of what motivated me into green cleaning, which was one day when I was cleaning, and I had a 2-year-old at the time, didn't realize he was right behind me, and I had set down my bottle of 409, and he, being a curious self, picked it up, put the sprayer in his mouth, and sprayed it into his mouth. That was my first call to poison control. They don't consider one spray of 409 a problem. I did. And so my options either were to clean when my children were not around, which meant super early in the morning or late at night, or to clean with something that wouldn't hurt them if they did happen to get a hold of it. For Salsuds, you only want 1 tablespoon in a quart of water. That is not very much. And I will assure you that if you put too much Salsuds, you will have too many bubbles. The last thing I'm going to add here is the tea tree essential oil. Now, tea tree essential oil, pure, undiluted, is irritating to the skin. You do not want to touch this. Also, a little bit goes a long way. So in this solution, I am just going to put in 5 drops. You want to keep that capped, and this is something you do want to keep away from your children. Tea tree oil does not have the most pleasant of smells, so it's not going to be super attractive to a child. However, I've had one of those children that will try anything, so keep that one out of their reach. But in 5 drops in this quart of water, even if they were to drink it, it would not hurt them. I don't think they would do it again. Now, the last thing you always want to do is label your bottles. So now this is ready to go. All I need is this and a microfiber cloth. I could clean my counters here. I could clean my painted walls with their many fingerprints. I could clean my stainless steel. I could go outside and clean my grill. And I definitely can use this in the bathroom as well, on the counters, on the tubs, and even on the toilet. Very useful. The second solution I'm going to make is my Castile Soap spray. So I will need, once again, water, Castile Soap, and I will use the peppermint for this. As I said with the Salsuds, put the water in first so that you don't create the bubbles. With the Castile Soap, it is concentrated, but not quite as concentrated as the Salsuds, so we do need more. In this case, I'm going to put in a 1/4 cup of Castile Soap. Now, where would I use Castile Soap spray instead of Salsuds? One place that I would use it is if I have a situation where it's common for me to have ants or other bugs For example, I know of a couple hot spots in my house that they frequently come in. I will use the Castile Soap. This is a very peripheral use of Castile Soap. It is a very safe and excellent body cleaner, but I also have to say it kills ants. And generally you don't think of those two going hand in hand. The Castile Soap dissolves the exoskeletons of insects. It's still extremely safe for people. I don't know why it does that. However, one spray of the Castile Soap spray and they are dead. It also erases their scent trails. It also will deter any from returning. So the Castile Soap spray is good on those areas. I'll also use this on my floors. My floors are not shiny, and so it works very well there. And then a lot of times I will just reach for whichever one is more handy. So we've made two all-purpose sprays, one with Salseds and one with Castile Soap, and that will get you very far around cleaning your house. However, one surface that needs its own solution is glass. Glass gets streaked, it gets fingerprints, it gets water spots, so we want to give it its own special thing. If your glass is dirty, for example, exterior windows, they actually have dirt on them. If you put water or most solutions, all you'll make is mud. So you'll need to use the Salseds or the Castile Soap to actually wash them first. But to bring back the sparkle to glass, mirrors, windows, we're going to use vinegar. Now there's a good bit of misinformation out there about vinegar and Castile Soap. Vinegar and Castile Soap are both excellent household cleaners, and they definitely have a place in green cleaning. However, they cannot be combined. If you combine vinegar and Castile Soap, the vinegar will react with the soap, it will unsaponify it, which means it will turn it back from soap into its original oils, and you'll have a white, clumpy mess that will not clean. So although there's a lot of recipes out there, a lot of well-meaning people that recommend vinegar and Castile Soap, especially for washing windows, don't put them together. All we're going to do here is do a half and half solution. Doesn't matter which order you add it. I'm going to fill the spray bottle halfway with water and then halfway with vinegar. And that's it. This is your glass cleaner. This works very well. The other reason I like this is that I've noticed when I'm cleaning windows and I'm cleaning something up above my head and I'm spraying, that spray is falling down on me. Now, although it's not very pleasant to breathe in vinegar, it's not going to hurt me. You can eat vinegar, so it's okay if it goes into your body. Conventional glass cleaner, when that falls on your head, it's not as safe. Thank you for joining me and learning about green cleaning. If you have more questions or have other household messes and dirt that you want to learn about cleaning, please visit my blog, Going Green with a Bronner Mom. Thank you.